What's up, everybody? Hey, you know, today we got a little special trip going on. We're going to pick up our red Chevy that Bill's had in the body shop. Got it all painted up. We're going to be bringing it home. So we're going to head up there right quick, take a look at it, take a few shots, and see how it turned out. So guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we are up here at the body shop, and we are now looking at the truck. She's got a nice new paint job on her. We've got the bed all nice and done. Got the top. And we're getting ready to take her home. We'll be doing the other modifications on it before too long. I think it turned out pretty good. Well, guys, what do you think? We had to rush up here and get her before the body shop closed for a day because Bill's going back to work, and I can't drive two cars at one time to get this taken care of. So, anyway, guys, there's the truck. A little short video of us picking it up. You'll be seeing more of it in the future. We got some more mods to go on it. We got a lot of chrome to put on it. A lot more changes going to be done. So stick around. While we're waiting on Bill to settle up on his payment, let's see what we got in the shop here. There's a Camaro. Somebody's doing some restoring on. There's another Camaro. Another one. I'm not familiar with this type. Is this yours or you?
All these customers cars.
Oh, okay. This looks kind of like that car that was on myself. It's only money. Usually I'm just the middleman. It goes from my hand to somebody else's. I don't even get to hold it long enough to smell it. Looking good though, looking good. Man, look at them old. Oh man, I know I don't have the patience for it.
Yeah.
Look at them old Monte Carlos, man.
Yeah, that's a Bill's car, matter of fact. It's ate up around the roof and the top. Got a pallet for a reason. He bought it in '68. Put a Harman and Moody racing engine in it.
Yeah.
Went racing for 2 years. All them back up to 40s and 30s still.
we've got to get a big shout out here to the owner of this company who painted this truck. Rick, what's the name of your company here?
Technical Paint Works in Martinsville, Virginia.
You got a phone number?
276-634-6443.
And I think you even on Facebook too, right?
Yeah, on Facebook. It's Ricky Quentin Angler.
All right, you guys come see him. He does fantastic work because he did a lot. He did a lot to this thing. Because it really looked bad when we brought it up here, but big shout out. Well, guys, that's going to do it for this particular video. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll be showing you more on the Chevy Silverado in the near future. We've got a lot of things planned for the truck. We wanted to get it painted before we started doing all the chrome and so forth on there. So it took us a while to find somebody to paint it that was reasonable and could do a good job. But now that we've got that out of the way, we will be moving on to bigger things with this particular truck. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Like I say, it was a little quick, short one. Just a little tutorial about us going up and picking up the truck. It's been in the body shop for about, I don't know, a month. So anyway, if you like what you see today, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, clang on that notification bell. And like always, guys, we will see you on the next one.